Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make two amazing summer cocktails like a pro. These delicious cocktails are beautifully concocted with white rum, fresh mango pulp, and citrus juices. I hope you will like these recipes. So let's go and jump in. Take 2 tall glasses of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. Start with pouring 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of white rum into each of these glasses. Today I am using a Bacardi white rum, but you can use any white rum of your choice. After the white rum, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of blue curacao into the first glass. And pour the same amount of grenadine syrup into the next glass. Now keep these glasses aside, and jump into the mixing of other ingredients. Now take a mixing glass and pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of mango juice. I hope you are enjoying these recipes. After the mango juice, pour the same amount of mango syrup to enhance the flavor of the cocktail. Next, pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of fresh mango pulp. You can prepare it very easily at home, just by blending fresh mango and little water together. Lastly, squeeze 1 medium-sized lemon, or pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of fresh lemon juice to adjust the sweetness of the mixture. If you like these recipes, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Perfect. Now add 6 to 8 ice cubes, and shake vigorously to chill the mixture perfectly. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Awesome. Okay, now fill these 2 glasses with lots of fresh crushed ice. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. And if you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now equally pour the chilled mixture into these 2 glasses. I hope you are enjoying these recipes. Perfect. After pouring the mixture, I will add a little more crushed ice for a better appearance. Now take 1 ounce of white rum and half an ounce of blue curacao, and slowly pour onto both of the cocktails. I will be very happy if you make these cocktails for your family and friends, and share your experience with me. Lovely. Please don't stir the cocktail before serving, as within minutes both these cocktails will look similar to the cocktails shown in the thumbnail of this video. Both the cocktails are now ready, so garnish these with a fresh mint sprig. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Cheers! Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.